Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be putting on the single seed potato cuttings. Today is 1st of June and it's another lovely day here. Just spin you around quickly. Quick look at what's going on in here. Repotted some of the onions and some of the tomatoes. Just need stringing up. One of the cucumbers. Another one over there. And these are a couple of the onions that look like they were splitting. So I pulled them out early and I just let them dry out. Right then, so these are the 4 cuttings that we took. All rooted. These have been on top of the fish tank in the kitchen. And I'm just going to pot them up into these pots for now. And just add a bit of mycorrhizal fungi. Right, so get these potted on and we'll go and have a look at the others. So just using multi-purpose compost. This is actually Erin compost. It's not the best, it's full of all sorts. But it doesn't matter, it'll do. Nice roots on them. Just give that dusting of mycorrhizal fungi. This soil is compost is quite wet, so I won't need to water these right away. Put in number 3. Can't quite believe it's June already. It's been a year. It'll be a year on the 7th since we had our little baby boy. So he'll be 1 this year. Time has absolutely flown by. And it won't be long until he's out in the garden with me every day. Got to put the mycorrhizal fungi on that one. So what I'll do is I'll just write that on this. You'll see the difference in them, but this one hasn't got mycorrhizal fungi in it, not intentionally, but we'll keep an eye on that one and see if there's a bit of a difference. So yeah, it's been quite the year here. Having a little one and everything else that's been going on. Well, it's going to be a fair test because there's going to be 2 without mycorrhizal fungi and 1 with, 2 with. No mycorrhizal fungi. Remember this time. Right then, so that's them 4 planted up. 2 with mycorrhizal fungi and 2 without. So we'll keep an eye on them, see which ones do better. But they can stay in here for a few days now, let them settle in, and then I'll put them outside with the others. And then the other 6, 7 are in here. And I had said I wasn't finished with these, so that's what I've done. Added a hose pipe and gone around each pot through the handles and cable tied it to these ones, and just drilled a little hole in each pot so I can just connect the hose pipe up here, turn it on, and that'll water them. But I do also plan on putting this stock fencing around them and filling it with straw, so I'll get that in there and get back to you. Right, so that's that in. Whilst I was doing that, notice this. Bloody dog's been in here, hasn't she? Oh well. Right, we'll get this filled up with straw. Right then guys, so that's that. I'll just keep topping this up every once a week or something, just so I can just see the tops of the plants like this, and hopefully that should give me a bit of a better yield, and I might be able to squeeze 2 or 3 of the others in there. So that's it from this one, guys. That's my single seed potato challenge. Finally finished up, except for the 4 cuttings. Right then, guys, so that's about it from me today. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Let me know what variety of potatoes you're growing this year and how you plan on improving your yields. Bye for now.